Oh, it's just falling over. Oh, fucking hasn't.
Hi everyone, 31st of August, Friday night. Something a wee bit different. I'm going to head out with two of the guys. We're just going to do a pub dinner, a wee mountain bike and a wee wild camp on the West Highland Way. So looking forward to it. Jim's just arriving, I think. Oh, he's just driven right by.
Can we see it? Oh, yes.
Yeah, what's that?
Nice. See the look?
They're flying tonight, then the radio control boys out.
It's just for us for fun, so.
Oh, look at that, Bama.
Oh, Christ.
Nice night. It actually does feel quite still though, doesn't it?
It's off form again.
Feels pretty still.
Yeah. Indian Pale Ale or something? I think so. Is that? That just rolled off your tongue there, that was
Now it's time to dig out the bikes and head for the West Highland Way. What time is it? 9:05.
I fancy liking this.
It's bright. Cool.
I'm just going to join that disco.
Bloody hell, it's hard work. Right, I think we're probably couple hundred yards short of the West Highland and turn right. And hopefully, I saw me torchlight, I'm just hoping nobody's camped at the spot I'm thinking of. There is others, but it'd be nice if we just get the original. Whew. It's alright, got a river, good supply. You need to go to a dump, just go further down in the trees and all that. And, there's a wee bit of a view in the morning. Not too bad.
This bike, or just that upgrade of those spots?
Just a new model of those, 1250.
Facts.
So,
Just for the forks.
just for the fork.
Look at this, we're on the West Highland Way, middle of nowhere. You can never be too careful.
Don't take no chances.
Don't take chances with those foreign pesky walking tourists. Hi, thanks. Yeah, that's been commented on a few times.
Do you find it hard to bend in there?
Yeah.
Is it just me?
No, it's me as well.
Is that because you stand for too long?
Aye.
You get so bad? I'll go for my flexibility classes after that, I think.
Aye, flexibility is what I'm needing.
And you're thinking and your body. Boom, boom.
You know,
Right, let's see this filter do its thing.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. It's the way you've got to trailer it in there.
I'll laugh.
Right, it's bedtime, nearly midnight. I think we're all going to head to our kips and listen to radio, watch TV. The midges are biting still. It's, what is it, nearly September. The wee buggers are still rife. Right, see if I find this bloody earplug. Miserable day out there. Let's have a look and see. Horrible.
Saying he wouldn't be leaving unless a replacement was found. Several messages on social media appearing to criticise the club. They've withdrawn early from training.
Yeah, what day? Midgie Fest. Well, the carbon capture fabric has worked really well. So nice and dry. So no problems despite the constant rain and still weather. Just came down for a wee wash, but it's a dank morning, so we're just going to bail and start heading back. Strange noises coming out of that tent.
I'm trying to pack up.
Is that what you call it?
You with your Fox helmet and your Fox jersey and all that.
Foxy!
Aye.
Right, we're off. Into the grey. Into the mist. Pretty horrible morning. Time to bail.
We are fast. Right leg.